Hello. Welcome. Have a wonderful day. Dear all, today we are learning English for alphabets letter A to Z. We will start our English class for fruits. Fruits names start with F. All the fruits name that starts with F are listed here. You will get a chance to improve your fruits vocabulary. It will be a wonderful lesson for beginners. Must read fruits that start with F. Fruits names start with F. Florida strangler fig. Florida cherry. Feijoa. Fairchild tangerine. Fei banana. Fukushu kumquat. Fox grape. Fuji apple. Finger lime fruit. Farkleberry. Ficelle mango. Forest strawberries. Fig. Fazli mango. Flatwoods plum. F. L. O. R. I. D. A. C. H. E. R. R. Y. Florida cherry. The Florida cherry is a unique and tasty fruit that is native to the Sunshine State. It has a distinct flavor unlike any other cherry and can be found in numerous local markets throughout the state. Not only does it have a delicious taste, but it's also packed with vitamins and minerals that make it good for your health. F. L. O. R. I. D. A. S. T. R. A. N. G. L. E. R. F. I. G. Florida strangler fig. The Florida strangler fig, or Ficus aurea, is an evergreen tree native to the southeastern United States. It grows in hammocks and other moist areas from southern Georgia to the Florida Keys, and has become increasingly popular with gardeners for its hardiness. With its long vines and glossy leaves, this tropical-looking fig tree can make for a dramatic statement in any landscape. F. E. I. J. O. A. Feijoa. Feijoas are a unique and exotic fruit that have been gaining attention for their health benefits. Native to South America, these tasty fruits are bright green in color and resemble a small apple with a flavor similar to pineapple. Feijoas have been used medicinally in traditional South American healing practices for centuries, and the modern research community is now beginning to recognize the potential health benefits of this powerhouse fruit. F. A. I. R. C. H. I. L. D. T. A. N. G. E. R. I. N. E. Fairchild tangerine. Fairchild tangerine is a variety of citrus fruit that has been cultivated for hundreds of years. This tangerine is an evergreen tree with dark green leaves and fragrant white flowers, making it a popular choice in the home garden. Its fruits are larger than average, and they have a thin, easy-to-peel skin that's usually orange, but may also be yellow or red. F. E. I. B. A. N. A. N. A. Fei banana. Bananas are a well-known fruit that have been around for thousands of years. They are one of the most popular fruits in the world, and for good reason. They're delicious, nutritious, and incredibly versatile. But did you know that bananas can also do wonders for your health? That's right, eating just one banana a day can provide you with an impressive range of vitamins and minerals. F. O. X. G. R. A. P. E. Fox grape. Fox grapes are a type of grape native to North America. These hardy and resilient fruits provide sweet, juicy flavor to jams, jellies, juices, and wines. Fox grapes have been used for centuries in the culinary dishes of many Native American tribes as well as enjoyed by early European settlers. F U K U S H U K U M Q U A T. Fukushu kumquat. The Fukushu kumquat is a unique type of citrus fruit native to Japan. This small, round orange-yellow fruit has a sweet yet tart flavor that makes it a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. The name Fukushu translates roughly to revenge, which reflects the tartness of the fruit. Once you try it, you may never go back. F U J I A P P L E. Fuji apple. Fuji apples are a delicious and popular fruit enjoyed by many all over the world. With their sweet tart flavor, they are often used in baking and cooking to create a variety of dishes. Originating from Japan, these apples have been a staple in Japanese cuisine for centuries. F I N G E R L I M E F R U I T. Finger lime fruit. Finger lime fruit, otherwise known as caviar limes, are becoming increasingly popular for their unique flavor and versatility in many different dishes. With its crunchy texture, intense citrus flavor, and striking appearance, finger limes add a special zing to any recipe. From drinks to salads to desserts, this one-of-a-kind fruit can be used in countless recipes. F A R K L E B E R R Y. Farkleberry. Farkleberry, a type of berry native to the southeastern United States, is quickly becoming a popular fruit among health-conscious consumers. This small, tart berry has been used by Native Americans for centuries in traditional medicines and other home remedies. But now, it's gaining attention from people who are looking for an alternative to the sugar-filled snacks that dominate store shelves. F A S C E L L M A N G O. Ficelle mango. The ficelle mango is a deliciously sweet and juicy fruit that has become popular for its flavorful taste. Originating in South Florida, this type of mango has become one of the most sought-after varieties in the United States. Its large size and deep yellow color are just two of the reasons why it has gained such popularity among growers and consumers alike. F I G. Fig. Fig is a new revolutionary tabletop game that has recently hit the market. It combines elements of both physical and digital gaming, combining a traditional board and card game with an app to provide players with an immersive experience like never seen before. The objective of the game is to build your own civilization, which involves collecting resources, trading goods, and building tools while competing against other civilizations in a race to achieve your ultimate goal. F O R E S T S T R A W B E R R I E S. Forest strawberries. Forest strawberries are a unique variety of wild strawberry that grow deep in the woods and can be found all over the world. Unlike their domesticated counterparts, these small, tart berries provide an intense flavor that will tantalize even the most discerning palate. With a range of sizes from tiny to larger than your thumb, forest strawberries have a unique texture and taste compared to other types of berries.
Thanks for watching. We will meet next video. Good luck and goodbye. Please like, share, subscribe. Nandri. Vanakkam.